Lesson number 7, Painting the Wall, First Class. New words: pale, P-A-I-L, pale; paint, P-A-I-N-T, paint; brushes, B-R-U-S-H-E-S, brushes; bout, B-O-U-G-H-T, bout; favorite, F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E, favorite; wall, W-A-L-L, wall; splash, S-P-L-A-S-H, splash; dare, D-A-R-E, dare; F-I-G-H-T-I-N-G, fighting; please, P-L-E-A-S-E, please; children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children; spots, S-P-O-T-S, spots; running, R-U-N-N-I-N-G, running; mixed, M-I-X-E-D, mixed; together, T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, together; idea, I-D-E-A, idea; bear, B-E-A-R, bear; den, D-E-N, den; teach, T-E-A-C-H, teach; beautiful, B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful; rhyming words: G-O-T, got; H-O-T, hot; R-O-O-M, Rome; broom, B-R-O-O-M, broom; den, D-E-N, den; H-E-N, hen; pale, P-A-I-L, pale; N-A-I-L, nail; wall, W-A-L-L, wall; B-A-L-L, ball; and C-A-L-L, call; splash, S-P-L-A-S-H, splash; L-A-S-H, lash; or C-R-A-S-H, crash, crash. Question answers. First question: W-H-E-R-E, where; D-O, do; T-H-E, the; B-E-A-R-S, bears; live, L-I-V-E, live; where do the bears live? The bears live in a den. T-H-E, the; B-E-A-R-S, bears; live, L-I-V-E, live; in, I-N, in; a den, D-E-N, den. Second question: what did grandpa and grandma bring for Timmy and Tommy? What did grandpa and grandma bring Timmy and Tommy? Grandpa, bear, G-R-A-N-D-P-A, grandpa; B-E-A-R, bear; grandpa bear; bout, B-R-O-U-G-H-T, bout; two, T-W-O, two; two pails of, P-A-I-L-S, pails of; P-A-I-N-T, paint; B-L-U-E, blue and yellow; Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow; and A-N-D, and; G-R-A-N-D-M-A, grandma; bear, B-E-A-R, bear; bout, B-O-U-G-H-T, bout; two brushes for, T-W-O, two; B-R-U-S-H-E-S, two brushes for; F-O-R, for; Timmy, T-I-M-M-Y, Timmy; and A-N-D, and; Tommy, T-O-M-M-Y, Tommy. Grandpa bear bought 2 pails of paint, blue and yellow, and Grandma bear bought 2 brushes for Timmy and Tommy. Third question. What color is Timmy using to paint his wall? WHAT what? COLOUR. Color is his. Timmy TIMMY. Timmy using USING. Using to TO2. PAINT paint. HIS his. Wall WALL wall. Timmy is using yellow paint for his wall. TIMMY. Timmy is his using USING. Using yellow 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 paint. PAINT paint. FOR for HIS his. WALL wall. Timmy is using yellow paint for his wall. Third question. Fourth question. What color is Tommy using to paint his wall? WHAT what? COLOUR. Color is his. Tommy TOMMY. Tommy USING. Using TO2. Paint PAINT paint. His HIS his. Wall WALL wall. Tommy is using blue color paint for his wall. Answer. Tommy is using blue color paint for his wall. TOMMY. Tommy is using USING. Using blue 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 color. COLOUR. Color paint. PAINT paint. FOR for HIS his wall. WALL wall. Fifth question. What color does Timmy splash on Tommy's wall by mistake? WHAT what? COLOUR. Color does DOES does. Timmy TIMMY. Timmy splash. SPLASH splash on on Tommy's TOMMYS Tommy's wall 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 by by mistake MISTAKE mistake. Answer. Timmy splashes yellow paint on Tommy's wall by mistake. TIMMY. Timmy splashes. SPLASHES splashes yellow YELLO yellow paint. PAINT paint. on TOMMYS Tommy's wall 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 by by mistake MISTAKE mistake. Timmy splashes yellow paint on Tommy's wall by mistake. Sixth question. What color do blue and yellow make when mixed? WHAT what? COLOUR. Color DO2. BLUE blue and 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 YELLOW yellow make 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 when 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 mixed MIXED mixed. What color do blue and yellow make when mixed? Answer. Blue and yellow when mixed together make green. BLUE blue AND YELLOW yellow. When 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 mixed 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 together. TOGETHER together make M-A-K-E, make. Green, G-R-E-E-N, green. Blue and yellow when mixed together make green. Extract, look what I got for you. L-O-O-K, look. W-H-A-T, what. I, G-O-T, got. F-O-R, for. Y-O-U, look what I got for you. Who said these words? W-H-O, who. S-A-I-D, sad. This, T-H-E-S-E, this. Words, W-O-R-D-S, words. Grandpa Bear said these words. G-R-A-N-D, grandpa. P-A-Pa, B-E-A-R, bear. Sad, S-A-I-D, sad. This, T-H-E-S-E, this. Words, W-O-R-D-S, words. Grandpa Bear said these words. Hey, look what you've done to my wall. Hey, H-E-Y, hey. L-O-O-K, look. W-H-A-T, what. You, Y-O-U, done. D-O-N-E, done. To, T-O-2, M-Y, my. Wall, W-A-L-L, wall. Who said these words and why? W-H-O, who. S-A-I-D, said. This, T-H-E-S-E, this. Words, W-O-R-D-S, words. And A-N-D, and. W-H-Y, who said these words and why? Tommy said these words because Timmy carelessly splashed yellow paint Tommy's wall. Tommy's, T-O-M-M-Y, Tommy said, S-A-I-D, sad. This, T-H-E-S-E, this. Words, W-O-R-D-S, words. Because, B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because. Timmy, T-I-M-M-Y, Timmy carelessly, C-A-R-E-L-E-S-S-L-Y, carelessly splashed, S-P-L-A-S-H-E-D, splashed yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Paint, P-A-I-N-T, paint. Tommy's, T-O-M-M-Y-S, Tommy's wall, W-A-L-L, wall. This lesson is English medium first class CBSE, lesson number 7, painting the wall.